Hello friend, welcome back to Toto Maintenance YouTube channel. This video should be about the center support bearing, which I just have installed in this 2001 Tacoma. Now you saw the bad one in different video, right? And this is the reason why this was replaced. All these cracks and excessive play. The truck was still driving correctly down the road, right? But as you can see, this one is in the not really great shape and it was slowly giving up. Now I would like to show you how much play is in the brand new one. And I will pull on this drive line, right, really hard, okay? So watch this. So there is a play in millimeters, like 2 millimeters I will say, but that's it, going up and down on the sides. It's barely moving. Before, if I will use or stick with millimeters, there was easily 10 millimeters up and down. So the play was approximately 5 times larger than on that new center support bearing. And that was just another tech video for you, right, on this channel, very quick, just to give you idea what's the difference between the worn one, which has excessive play, and the brand new support bearing. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumb up, be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.